Welcome to the deep dive. If you own a home, that nightmare scenario, a pipe bursts, water everywhere.
Oh, yeah. Nobody wants that call.
Exactly. So today we're looking at the first line of defense, water valve services, and specifically why getting expert local help is so important. Thinking about places like White Rock, BC.
Right.
Our mission, we want to figure out the real good things, the benefits you get when you hire pros for this stuff. We're pulling our info straight from Pacific Blue Mechanical's website. They talk about their expert solutions for the Lower Mainland.
Okay, so before we jump in too deep, maybe just quickly, what is a water valve?
Good point. Keep it simple for us.
Think of it like a tap, or maybe better, a gate inside your pipes. It lets water flow through, or you use it to stop the water completely.
Like for repairs or emergencies.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And you mostly see two kinds: gate valves, which are usually for shutting things down for planned work, and ball valves. Those are more modern, quick turn off, like for an emergency, just a quarter turn.
A quarter turn? Okay. That difference probably matters when water's spraying everywhere.
It really does.
So here's a question I bet lots of homeowners have. I could use a wrench. Why not just grab a valve from the store and swap it out myself? What's the actual risk of not getting that professional local help?
The big risk. It really comes down to doing it right according to the rules and making sure it works with your whole system.
Rules meaning?
Local plumbing codes. That's where the local part is huge. These pros, like the ones mentioned on the site, they work in White Rock, Vancouver, Richmond, Surrey, all over. They have to know the specific codes for each area.
I see. So it's not just about stopping a leak. It's about using the right parts, the right setup, stuff that meets the local standard.
Precisely. Get it wrong, and maybe your insurance won't cover something later, or you might have to tear it out and do it again if it doesn't pass inspection. It's a headache.
Okay, that makes sense. And the source, the Pacific Blue Mechanical site, it points to things like their, 500 Google reviews and a 247 emergency line. Is that supposed to be proof they get the local needs?
Well, yeah, it suggests reliability, right? Good feedback, plus being available anytime. That signals they're prepared for the kind of specific, sometimes weird issues you only run into in certain areas or with certain types of buildings. They've likely seen it before.
All right, let's shift a bit. Let's talk about the payoff. Beyond just, avoiding a flood disaster, what are the main good things, the benefits for a homeowner who invests in professional valve service?
Okay, the biggest thing is probably shifting from panic repairs to planned maintenance. It saves money and stress in the long run.
How does checking a valve save money? Seems small.
Well, first, those little drips you might not even notice. They add up on your water bill. Pros check for that. They look for rust or like grit and stuff stuck inside that keeps the valve from closing all the way.
The silent leaks.
Exactly. Second, and this is a big one, preventing catastrophic failure. A valve that bursts doesn't just mean water. It means potential damage to your floors, your walls, your home's structure.
And mold, too, I bet.
Oh, absolutely. Mold. Hidden mold is a nightmare. Super expensive to fix properly. So good valve maintenance protects the building itself.
So it's wall protection and house protection.
Yeah.
And the source mentions basic steps the pros take, right? Like inspecting.
Yeah. Inspect, flush out any gunk, test that it's working smoothly, and replace worn parts like seals or washers. Simple stuff for them, but it makes a huge difference.
Okay, so doing it right means the whole system just lasts longer and works better. Long-term relief, basically.
That's the idea. Investing a bit upfront in proper installation and maintenance, like the site details, really boosts the lifespan and performance of your entire plumbing system.
So wrapping this up for you listening, getting expert help for your water valves, especially from local folks who know the BC codes inside and out, seems like really smart protection for your home. It's proactive.
And this actually brings up something interesting the source touched on. Smart valve systems.
Oh, like smart home tech.
Kind of, yeah. Imagine valves that aren't just mechanical, but have sensors. They watch the water flow all the time. They could detect a tiny leak or a sudden burst and then automatically shut off the main water line.
Wow, like through a phone app or something.
Exactly, sending you an alert instantly. That could be the next big step in preventing water damage before it even really starts. It raises the question, how much safer could our homes be with that tech?
That's definitely something to think about. Technology meeting basic plumbing. So the takeaway is clear. Dealing with small valve issues now professionally saves you from massive headaches and costs later.